Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video is a requested video on my art supplies haul. Before I bring the painting series in future, I think it will be more helpful for you to know about the art supplies. So let's begin with the colors first. These are called acrylic colors and they come in a set of 10. These are easily available in the market and you can get it in the local shop anywhere. You can find them online and the link to all the products is mentioned in the description box below. And these are of Fevicryl brand. If you don't find them, you can use Camlin Fabrica colors too. We can use acrylic colors directly, but if you think the color is thick, you can use a little bit of water with the help of brush. The color mix should not be too thick or too thin. If you are a beginner and you don't have colors, then don't worry about it. You can just buy red, yellow and blue acrylic colors. These are called the primary colors. Along with these, buy white and black acrylic colors. These are very important colors. You can always mix and match and create a huge range of colors. Like, if we mix yellow and blue, we get green. Red and white, we will get pink. Yellow and red will get orange. When we mix black and red, we will get brown. White and blue will get sky blue color. Red and blue we get purple. So just don't stop yourself by doing what you love and enjoy coloring. Now let us talk about brushes. These are the round brushes and these are the flat brushes. This brush is called a fan brush. A very important point I want to discuss with you. You should clean the brush after every use. Now let's talk about the canvas. I have these 3 boards I have brought from the local market. As you can see, the work is already going on and I will very soon come up with the video. These are the small canvas boards. You can use them to decorate the easel. Now let's talk about the sketchbook. I have a color splash sketchbook and this one I have brought from the local market. It is very small but very useful. It's time to talk about something very interesting. I didn't want to show this color cakes to you because I'm using these colors from my college days and you can see the condition of this box. These are very basic watercolors. Especially students use these colors. I want to share few of my watercolor paintings which I made by using these colors. You will get these colors in any stationery shop. This is my very special kit. These are the glass colors. You will find one outliner and 12 shades of colors. I said special kit because I have made many videos by using these colors and these came out amazingly. This is a black outliner which is free inside this kit, and you can use this outliner to draw the outlines. You can create these kinds of artworks by using glass colors. Now comes my favorite part. These are the soft pastels, and I just brought these soft pastels from the market because of the packaging, and I love the colors in it. I didn't make many paintings by using these soft pastels, but this one I have made and felt like sharing with you. And last but not the least, this is the decor varnish which we use after the painting, and this clear synthetic varnish I brought from the local hardware shop. This is of Asian paint and this is quite yellowish in color. We should use flat brush to apply the varnish on the painting or on any DIYs. I hope you liked my today's haul and the tips. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.